Should you lower your professional fees in order to secure more customers? And many years ago, when I first started a business, I did the same thing, which I think that, okay, as long as my fees is lower than my competitors, all the customer will come. And when I get better and better in business, I find that this is not true at all. First thing first, when you try to lower down your fees, you're actually going into a price war, because your competitors, and I'm guaranteed there are some of them who don't have business sense, they will try to go lower than you. And you will eventually find out that you don't even have a good profit margin at all. And you will start to questioning yourself, what's the reason why you want to start a business, right? The second thing I say, why you should actually charge a premium price, and that is a pre-requirement that you know what you're doing. You know that your service can actually help them to transform. It can be help them to lose weight from 90 kg to 60 kgs. It can help them to increase their business sales, improve their relationships, like get career advancement. So this, if you are in these industries, you are providing service, you shouldn't charge less at all. You actually should charge a premium price for it. And the reason why I say, because you will get a better quality of clients. I tried the price war game before, and I also tried the premium price, and I find out that the big difference between this level here is that the customers here is much more committed. They value they value and they really do the work, and you actually get a lot of testimonials because people are here are more committed, they are more qualities. People are here in somehow, like, you will get clients who are lower qualities, and sometimes I call these clients, it's called cheapskate clients. And there's nothing wrong if you charge low, but you probably find out that you are doing so much and they probably don't appreciate it at all, because all they want is just, I want the big amount of results, right, with zero cost at all. If possible, I want it to be as cheap as possible. You find that these people with this kind of mentality, they will always want a shortcut, and at the end, regardless of how good is your service, they won't do anything at all, because as long as they feel like it's too hard for them, they will actually give up. So that's the second big reason. And the third big reason is because when you charge at this price, let's say for example you charge at 5,000, right, for a 2 months of coaching service or training service whatsoever, and other people are charging hundreds, it means that you serve one client, it equals to them like probably they need to serve 10 clients equal to you serve one client. And that's actually a big difference, because if you, let's say for example you want to make an income of like 100k, right? So if 100k, you probably need to serve 20 clients, they probably need to serve like 200 clients. That's the big difference I'm talking about. And you can't really do a good job when you serve 200 clients, because you have limited time, number one, and then the second, actually you don't have time for them. And we haven't talked about whether they have this like get rich quick mentality, which is actually makes you vomit blood at the same time. So that's the reason, that's actually big things that actually I find out when I go to this direction and these directions. Now let's talk about when you are actually in this trap, right? You fall into this trap and you want to get out of this trap, right? The first thing actually is a mindset shift, that you need to believe that there's always someone willing to pay you at this premium price, provided that you know how to sell them transformations, okay? And you need to know what you're doing, and you need to be confident of what you're doing. So that's the pre-requirements that you need to have. Otherwise, people won't pay a single cent for your service. And you need to always remember that actually the reason why people are willing to pay a premium price for this, because you're actually giving them results. People only pay for results. People are not paying for some like ebooks. You try to sell ebook at this price, they won't pay it, because everybody knows actually nobody read ebooks right now. Even though they buy the books, they will just sit in the hard disk and collect dust. That's it. So the first thing, actually you need to look back at your service, and you need to re-evaluate your service, whether your service, like, can it really bring them results, or it's just information, that's it. Now if you are actually in the informations type, which is you sell ebooks, you sell only information, you know that it's up to them to take actions, and this is probably tough. You need to like revamp or perhaps enhance your current service on looking at how do I want to get people result instead of just sending them information, that's it. So when you get clear of this point where you know how to get people from point A to point B, right? And you have the methodology of helping them, that's actually where people will start paying you a premium fees, right? And I hope that these videos give you some insights of actually what you want to do next. And if this video resonates with you and you think you have friends, or you yourself, you know that you have friends, your business owners who are actually in a price war, please help me to share with them, because we can help them to get out of the price war. And do me one favor, and please help to subscribe to my channels. You can click the subscribe button below, because that actually helped me to give me some motivation. Actually, I can share more videos with you all from my experience. And I look forward to see you in the next video.